friends, today we're going to be making fruit cream. Yummy, yummy. And fruit cream is one of my favorite desserts, and once you learn to make it by me, it might be your favorite too. So now, what do you think we need for fruit cream? You are right, fruits and cream. Now here's all the materials we need. Well, you can use any fruit you have. So this is the first one, pomegranate, grapes, strawberries, an orange, a banana, a mango, and an apple. We also have some grated dry fruit. So we have pistachios, almonds, raisins, and cashews. To make fruit cream, we also need half and half or cream, and we also need powdered sugar. So now we also need to cut all these fruits. And now let's get chopping. Okay guys, now let's go chop the strawberries. Okay, now all the fruits are chopped. Now we're gonna go make the cream. Okay, now let's go pour the milk into the bowl. But I'm gonna go choose now because I just feel a little picky. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I choose this one. Now let's go pour it. We're gonna open the milk. It looks too much strong, right? Now this one is a good one. Why, if you're a kid, make sure you don't spill any, because if you spill any, that'll be really bad, right? So let's go pour all the milk. Be careful, you do not want to make it to drop all the milk in here, right? Now, boom, that's all done. I'm getting all the milk here. Boom, done. Now let's go do the other one. I'm gonna close this because I don't want them to feel a little picky also again. It's you now. Now, you have to open it, put the cap away, and then pour all the milk inside. Anyway, so then you have to do it like this. If you're a kid, you do it slowly. Like me, I'm most definitely doing it non-slowly. But since I'm not professional, most definitely not professional. And now, let's go get all the milky, come on. There, that's enough milk. Okay, now we need to pour 2 of these, and I want 1 cup. So basically, this is half a cup. So we need 2 of these. Got it? So now we need to scoop some. And God, this is heavy. There, that's good. Now let's go pour, pour, pour. Don't want to spill, right? Oh no, there was a chunk in here. Look, let's get all of it. I don't want to leave some remaining. Now let's go get another one. Fun fact, does this look like snow? Now, there. Oh wow, that was a big chunk. Now, okay, now we need to mix this. Okay guys, now we have to go and mix all of this together. The sugar and the cream, because then it'll be all fluffy. Now let's get started. Oopsies. Okay, now we need to pour all of these fruits in here. So now let's get started. I'm starting with strawberries because those are the closest to me. I'm gonna only put a little though. Don't want it to splash everywhere. Because you may be thinking, why aren't you using all of them at once? Because it's gonna splash everywhere and then it's gonna be ruined. Okay, now I poured all the fruit inside here, but the only thing left to do is to get the dry fruits, pour it here, and then mix it. Let's go get some mixies. So first, I'm gonna start like this, a little by little. Do it little by little. Well, I most definitely did not do it by little. Now, it is mixie time. Okay, now I need to go faster. I want it to be nice and good. Now it's nice and good. Nice and good. Make sure you put the spoon all to the bottom, then do it. Shaky time. Boop it in. And make sure you don't mix it so much that everything falls out. Because else could be a little bumping and then it just might fall, a few might fall off. So you have to do it again. Okay, now all the mixing is done. Now we need to go put this in the fridge, then wait an hour, then your fruit cream is ready. And then once you wait an hour, you like it cold, right? And if you like this video, make sure you like that video at that button right there. And then if you love this video, if you want, you can subscribe if you want. Now, bye-bye.